I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Ultimate Ears Boom 3 portable Bluetooth speaker. There are a lot of good reasons you may want to factory reset your Boom 3 Bluetooth speaker. Perhaps you're experiencing connectivity issues, want to clear out any glitches or prevent someone from connecting to it, or plan to sell or give away your speaker and need to wipe your personal settings. No matter the reason, a factory reset can help restore your Ultimate Ears Boom 3 to its original state, ensuring it works smoothly and efficiently. Step 1. Make sure that your Ultimate Ears Boom 3 Bluetooth speaker is powered on. You can do this by looking for a light under the power button on the top of the speaker. Step 2. Hold down both the power and volume down buttons for roughly 5 seconds. Keep holding the buttons down while the speaker makes the following sounds. After which, you can release the buttons. The Boom 3 speaker will power down. Step 3. You can confirm the factory reset was successful by powering the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 speaker back on. When the speaker powers back on, the Bluetooth light should be blinking. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.